So you are way past the level of intoxication to be driving that vehicle, okay? You know that, right?
I know. I just need to make it.
I understand. So you'll be able to make both of them, but Lacey's going to jail.
She is going to jail?
Yeah, she's going to jail.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Okay. So she's going to jail, but
Deputy Blackwood heading home after night shift. One car swerving across both lanes.
hey, how are you
hits the
doing
lights.
this morning? Hey, I'm Deputy Blackwood, Santa Rosa County. The reason why I'm stopping you, you're swerving all over the road.
Yes, sir.
Why are you swerving so much?
I'm trying to get my friend home.
Okay. Oh, she is sleep.
Yeah, she's asleep. I have my license.
Okay. Have you been drinking tonight?
I have not.
Okay.
I'm Lacey Edwards.
Okay. All right. You just tired? Is that what's going on?
I am tired. This is my friend Taylor Lowe. She has her driver's license on her.
Oh, you're good. She's good. It looks like she's had a little bit of drink. She's thrown up on the window. And she threw up over there.
Yes, she did.
All right. Give me just a second, okay? Ten-four. All right, Miss Edwards, you said that you haven't had anything to drink. Okay. So you're just the DD tonight.
I'm driving Taylor.
Okay, where's home for her?
Home is on the outside of Vernon.
On where?
On the outside of Vernon.
Where's that at?
It's about 5 miles on the outside of Vernon, close to Bonifay.
Close to Bonifay. Okay. All right. So, like I said, you were.
I know. Thank you, officer. Thank you for letting me know.
Yeah. You mind stepping back here real quick? I'm just going to check your eyes and make sure you're good.
That's okay.
Because I don't want something to happen. You know, you leave from here.
I understand.
Yeah.
That's why I'm going to park.
You're good.
Yeah. Thank you.
Just come right there to the front of the car. You're good.
Thank you.
You sure that you haven't had anything to
I
drink?
have not.
Because you're stumbling.
I'm just trying to drive my friend Taylor home.
Okay. All right. Where? Here, come right there. You can sit against that. Where are you coming from?
You want me to be honest?
Yeah. Where are y'all coming from?
We're coming from Panama.
From Panama City?
Yes, sir.
And y'all are heading to Bonifay, you said.
Bonifay, Florida.
Hold on one second. I'm not 100% sure. So I'm going to explain to you what's going on. So what I'm going to ask you to do is to do some field sobriety tests, okay? Basically what those are is just their attention division test, divided attention test, in order to make sure, to make sure that you're safe to operate a vehicle, that kind of thing, okay? So what that's going to consist of is I'm going to check your eyes. It's called a horizontal gaze nystagmus. We're going to do a walk and turn. We're going to do a one-leg stand, and then there's a couple more that we could do, but that's just going to depend on what happens with the other stuff, okay?
My shoes?
Yeah, you can take off your shoes. Go ahead.
Thank you.
Left foot on the line, right foot in front of it. It'll be 1, 2, 3, and then you'll take a series of small steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, up to 9. Okay?
Ready?
You can begin when you're ready. If you want to stop taking steps that way, you can. You've taken way more than what was required, okay? All right. Come back here where your shoes are at. Go right back there where your shoes are at. So come up to you don't have to put your shoes back on yet. Just come up to the lines because it's more flat up here. So stand with your feet together, hands down at your side, okay? When I tell you to, you can raise 1 foot, either foot, whichever one works best for you. Raise it approximately 6 inches off the ground. That's going to be about a Coke can, okay? You're going to point your toes straight out, keeping your foot parallel to the ground. You're going to look down at your toes, and you're going to count out loud 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, and so on until I tell you to.
Can I start again?
Yeah, I hadn't even told you to start yet. You're right. I was telling you the instruction. But yeah, pick your foot up off the ground approximately 6 inches, point your toe out, count out loud 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, and so on while you're looking at your toe. Okay. I'll tell you when you can stop, okay? Give me just a second, and I will tell you when to begin.
I'm going to stand behind you so you won't fall, okay? So I may catch you.
That's okay. That's okay. I understand. That's okay.
All right, you can begin.
Yeah, I just don't want you to fall in traffic, that's all. Oh, there you go. Okay.
I know.
You're good, you're good. You okay?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna stop him for your safety, okay? Because I don't want you. I don't want you.
Look, I can see that. He's not holding me.
I know.
Well, listen.
Oh, there you go. There you
No
go.
matter what it is.
Just a minute.
Please, y'all, I have a baby. I just need to make sure she makes it okay.
Yeah.
She's with her dad.
I'm gonna go figure. Hey. Hello.
It's okay.
I just need to make sure my baby makes them okay.
I know.
She's with her dad. I need to make sure she makes it to my mom.
Okay. Well, I'll let
She lives with me and my mom.
Okay. We'll let you make some phone calls and everything, okay?
Okay.
Okay. All right, let's go sit down real quick. We're going to go to the passenger side over here.
I'm sorry.
In the truck, her friend Taylor is passed out.
Dude,
Covered in
I'm
vomit.
telling you that she was...
Completely unaware she is about to be
from one
stranded
side
80
to the-
miles from
I'm
home.
willing to bet that there's liquor in there, too. But I'm not going to worry about that yet because I want to deal with her. Hey, Taylor. Taylor? Taylor. Yep, that's what she said that she was drinking.
Taylor. Taylor. Hey. You awake?
Hey, it's Sheriff's Office.
It's the police. You feeling okay? No.
Had a little too much to drink.
You ain't gonna throw up on me, are you?
You already threw up on the door. Be careful right there.
Okay, I already had one person throw up on me today. I don't want to make it two.
Hey, do you have somebody that you can call to come pick you up? You're in Milton. Milton, Florida. Yeah.
How old are you?
My husband's probably 21. I'm probably 21.
You're probably 21?
Yeah.
Huh? Are you 21? Okay. Are you probably 21?
I am 21.
All right. So, hey.
Can I unhook this?
Yeah. You can unhook that seatbelt. You're as of right now, you're not in trouble. Your buddy that was driving, she is going to jail. Okay. Yeah.
Watch your feet.
You're in Milton. You're like out here in Milton at almost at I-10.
Why is she in jail?
But for DUI, because she was drunk driving the truck. Yeah, she was still drinking. Oh, no, it was hers. It was sitting right there. She was still drinking.
Texas.
Like you're 80 miles from home. Because you live right outside of Bonifay, don't you?
I do. I feel so bad, but I did call her like 2 hours ago.
Right. Do you know what time it is?
No.
So it's like 5:05 in the morning.
You want exhortation?
Both of them, but Lacey's going to jail.
She is going to jail?
Yeah, she's going to jail.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Okay.
So she's going to jail, but yes, your wife is right here. It's right off of I-10, like just south of I-10 before you get to Pensacola.
Yes, sir.
But she's there in Santa Rosa County, right here in Milton. It's at Highway 87 in Nichols Lake.
Nichols Lake.
Yeah.
Got you. So I'm assuming you gotta need somebody to send to go get my wife.
Yes, because we're not going to take her in for anything, nothing like that. She wasn't operating vehicle. So what we're going to do is you're going to be charged with DUI, okay? You're also going to be, you're just going to get a failure to maintain lane ticket, okay? I'm not going to charge you with the open container. I'm not going to charge you with any other alcohol offenses, okay? I'm just going to do the ticket and the DUI, and that's it. So what's going to happen from here is when we leave from here. Hold on one second. I'll let you ask questions, okay? What's going to happen is we're going to leave from.
I don't want anything between me and my baby girl.
No. A DUI is not going to cause anything between you and your baby girl. But I can't entice you to take a breath test, and I can't tell you not to take a breath test, okay? All I can do is ask you if you would be willing to. If you don't want to, that's fine. If you do, that's fine too.
I just want to know what's going to be best for me and my baby that is 2 months old.
So, like I said, a DUI is not going to affect you and being a mom to your kid. Okay. The only issue that you would have DUI wise is just your driver's license. That's it. So,
What if I've never points in my
okay.
driver's license?
Right. So since you don't really know what's going on, I'll explain it to you. If you don't take the test, your driver's license will be suspended for a year.
I don't want my driver's license.
So,
but the thing is, I have a kid, and I don't I need everything.
I got you. So if you refuse to take the test, your driver's license will be suspended. If you do take the test, then your driver's license won't be suspended for that.
I just want to make sure,
Okay.
my kid, is with
All right.
she doesn't have.
I got you. Don't worry about that. This is not going to affect your kid. I promise. Okay.
Is she?
We are literally almost done. Yeah, because
even if I have to use the restroom in front of a bunch of people, I'd like to be escorted just because I don't know how to jail.
you're going to be all right. I'm gonna take you to where you need to go from here. I'm not gonna just let you walk out that door and be like, figure it out.
Because I hear a lot of things about the jail. And
So we call this the Milton Hilton because it's so nice here.
Okay,
I'm just kidding. It's not like that nice.
No, I understand. I've just heard a lot about, and I just would like to know what to expect.
Okay, so there might be like 2 ladies here, and that's it. But because they want you to do this and stuff, they may let you do it over in the change out area. So we'll figure it out when we walk out there.